Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be reviewing the SSL bus compressor 2 that derived from the 4000G console, the legendary console. So we're going to get into this. We're going to see if we're going to bypass it or keep it. Alright, so we're going to start without it and engage it. Let's go. Alright, let's engage it now. So right away I can hear it compressing, gluing the track together as it's supposed to do. Let's check it out. Let's turn the thresh, the makeup, see what type of sound it generates. All right, let's check that out. Wow. Okay. Really sucking on the track. Pulling it down. Too much glue. Let's get it right. That sounds good. All right, the release is on auto, so that's good. When you're doing a 2-track, you don't want the attack to be on the low side. You want it on the high side because you don't want to squash the track. All right, ratio could be 10, 20 when you're 2-tracking. All right, if you have it on a guitar or a drum kick or a snare, that's different. You can crunch it, but in this case, we're not crunching it too hard. All right. So here we have the side chain. Side chain is the hertz goes up to 185, right? So that means anything behind 185, it won't compress, meaning the bass, kicks, it won't compress them. That way you get to retain the sound, the fullness of the track. All right, let's demonstrate that. Let's go through and see what it does when we engage the side chain. All right. Yeah, that sounds good. Very good. So let's tune it a little better. Let's go through each knob and see what it does and how it changes the sound, and then we'll decide if we're going to bypass or keep it. All right, let's go. It's your makeup gain. So yeah, guys, so I'm keeping it. I'm not going to bypass this one. I'm keeping it. Sounds good. It looks good. I love the product. I love the presentation. Definitely can use it on a master or a mono track, maybe on on kick, snare. But yeah, I'm keeping it, guys. So let me know what you're going to do in the comment section. Are you going to bypass it or are you going to keep it? Are you going to download it or not download it? Let me know. But until the next review, peace out, guys.